Lemons are undoubtedly one of the most versatile and beneficial fruits we can consume. These citrus fruits offer a myriad of health benefits, as they have potent antibacterial and antiviral properties. They are a rich source of various nutrients, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, including magnesium, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, vitamin A, copper, and chromium. According to Dr. Mercola, it's probably no surprise that lemons provide a lot of vitamin C, but the amount per serving is pretty impressive at 187% of the daily value, making it a superb infection fighter. Teamed with flavonoid glycosides called asparagine and naringenin, found in most citrus fruits, the combination provides radical-free radical zapping activity. Free radicals can do serious damage to blood vessels and can contribute to cholesterol buildup in artery walls, atherosclerosis, and even heart disease. Lemons are also a good source of thiamine, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, iron, and magnesium, and are an excellent source of fiber, vitamin B6, calcium, potassium, and copper, as well as folate and potassium. Despite the citric and ascorbic acid, other antioxidants in lemons include beta-carotenes, beta-cryptoxanthin, zeaxanthin, lutein, and vitamin A, which promotes healthy mucous membranes, skin, and vision. Pantothenic acid and folates, provided by lemons, are compounds needed by the body, but can only be derived from sources outside the body. Therefore, lemons energize the body, eliminate toxins from the system, treat various skin conditions, and soften the rough skin areas on the elbows and knees. Moreover, lemons help in the treatment of depression, freshen breath, whiten the nails, and help digestion. The juice of lemons is also helpful in the case of arthritis and rheumatism and dissolves kidney stones. In order to quickly fight the cold and soothe the symptoms of asthma and allergies, cut a lemon in two and place the pieces on the nightstand in your bedroom. Yet, always make sure you use organic lemons only. Its smell will freshen the room, cleanse the air from toxins, and help you easily fall asleep.